Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. If you don't know by now, I am home, bored with a broken foot, so I decided to do another taste test in the Bored with a Broken Foot series. Today, I have these Trader Joe's dark chocolate pineapple flavored with other natural flavors sticks. These came to me courtesy of Erin when I went to the office the other day. She said, hey Lisa, I found these at Trader Joe's. You should try them. These are soft and chewy, centered, dipped in dark chocolate. The center is supposedly pineapple. The outside is dark chocolate. 5 of these sticks have 120 calories, so that means they have 24 calories each, if my math is correct. That's the size of them, not bad. It's a nice dark chocolate. It's a very strong pop of pineapple in the center. It's like a pineapple jelly. I actually like these a lot more than the watermelon ones. That's fun. I bet these would taste good in the fridge. I like these. They're probably going to be around for a limited time only. I think this is a good snack. It will melt, so it's hot out. Don't take these outside, but they're a good snack to keep at home. Only 2.5 grams of fat and 120 calories for 5. So if you want something sweet, something a little chocolatey, something fruity, check these out at Trader Joe's. Dark chocolate pineapple, flavored with other natural flavors, sticks. Find them. Okay, bye.